Welcome back everyone to the channel. You are watching this series Plants in My Balcony, and in today's session we are going to discuss about a very simple thing, that is iron deficiencies in leaves. And this is exactly not in money plant, but this leaf that you can see here, the midrib and the vein portions are completely green, but the sides of the leaves have started yellowing. This is very less, but in some plants you will see that the leaves have become completely yellow, devouring the midribs and the veins, which are green in color. So this is one of the symptoms showing that the plant is deficient of iron. Now, iron deficiency is also called as iron chlorosis. Starts with yellowing of leaves in between and the dark green veins, which gives a spidery look. Over time, the leaves becomes whitish and start to die, eventually resulting in stunting and drying back of the entire. Now, how do we have to fix the yellowing of leaves, which is very common during the summer seasons? Either we have to acidify the soil. Soil acidification is very easy. If you add the organic manure into your soil, it will become acidic and the iron deficiency is sort of made up. Now, or the other thing that I'm going to do today is apply iron fertilizer. Now this trick is so simple and it is a smart way to save your plants using something as simple as a rusted iron nail. Yes, you heard it right. Rusted iron nails. हम सबके घरों में जंग लगी हुई कीलें होती हैं, हम उनको फेंक देते हैं. There is no use, but those iron nails are very good source of iron to the plants, and it is free, it is eco-friendly, it doesn't have any negative impacts. Now what you are seeing is 5-6 big iron nails which were rusted. I have put them into glass 2 or 3 days back, and now what has happened, the rust, the iron oxide basically has come into water, which is giving the water this brown shade. So you can see, if I put the nail out, if I take one nail out, you can see they were rusted big nails, and 5 or 6 of them I have put it in a glass of water. So this water, if you see my hands, just see my hands, it is now almost black. The skin tone has turned black. So just imagine how much iron is there in water now. So what we are going to use, I'm going to use this iron fertilizer now into my plants wherever I feel that they are deficient in iron. Don't use it directly, just dilute it little with water, say 50% of this and water, and this will be supplied to plants which have iron deficiency, or you can also supply to plants because it is not going to harm your plants. It's something the plants need iron, and it's not going to harm the plants in a smaller quantity because we are going to just sprinkle it. This rust which is there in the iron nail is iron oxide, which does not harm any plants if we give them in moderate amount. Moderate means we can supply this water, this iron water, say about a fortnight, after 15 days or so, to our plants to fulfill the requirement of iron. I'm also showing you the other way of doing it. Like as you can see, I have placed 2-3 rusted iron nails directly into my pot, and it is supplying iron directly onto the soil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this nail. If you don't want to use the liquid nitrogen, you want to spare your time, you don't have time putting the iron nails into water, so what we can do, we can basically put this into the soil wherever we want to have iron into our plants. So this is the new squash which is coming up, and I have put an iron nail onto it. So both the methods you can use. You can put it in water for about 2 to 3 days, get the water, dilute it, put it into plants, or simply you can put an iron nail into your plants. So I think, hope you all have liked this video. You can use it in your garden or in your balcony plants, wherever you feel like. And if you like it, please do share with your friends, family, subscribe it, do comment, put in your suggestions so that we can work upon them. Thank you so much for watching.